So hello friends, I'm Crow. Welcoming you to my YouTube channel Crocenthy. Friends, in today's video, I'm going to talk about my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So friends, I'm a huge fan of technology. I mean, where in the world is a place where technology is not present? And I have interest in space. That's why I love NASA. But you may ask yourself the question, why am I saying all this to you? Because you being my viewer, you should know about me so that you can subscribe and help me to grow. Anyways, moving towards the video. So, in the channel, videos related to tech will be uploaded. Tutorials, tips, and tricks will also be uploaded. What you need to do is only press that subscribe button and like my videos. I also wanted to say that I had this YouTube channel named Cygnist, but I forgot the email and password, so I can't log in. But I didn't lose hope and made this new channel. Friends, it's only you who can help me. I will try to upload regularly as my summer holidays are going on. Please subscribe. I want to grow as much as I can. So guys, it's time for me to go. Respect your elders and behave like a gentleman. Keep enjoying your life. Thank you for watching. Bye.